In today's video, you're going to learn step-by-step process on how to cut and sew your bikini bra, your bikini bra cup, your bikini top. So as you can see in this video, you can see how beautiful it came out. And please, you guys, if you want to learn how to make a beachwear outfit, you want me to hold your hand and show you how you can actually create beautiful beachwear style outfit and sell it, please, I have a class on it. Go ahead and register for my class. It's just 5,000 naira. So for this bikini bra, we are going to use a stretchy fabric. This is a lycra fabric. So I'm just going to go ahead and fold it like this. And then after that, I will just go ahead and fold it in a triangular form, just as seen in this video. So you're going to fold it straight first, and then you're going to go ahead and refold it again in a triangular shape, just as seen in this video. It is that simple. So the next thing, I'm going to mark from my chest line to my under bust, and then after you're done, you're just going to go ahead and mark it out, and then just go ahead and trace it just as seen in this video, and then you're going to mark it at several places, and then you're going to add half an inch for your sewing allowance. You guys, my chalk is white chalk and it's not really showing. So the next thing is to go ahead and cut it out just as seen in this video. Just follow the way I'm explaining, you are going to get it. The next thing, I'm going to go ahead and cut out another 2 pieces, which is going to serve as our lining. So what I have here is already 2 pieces, so I will go ahead and cut out extra 2 pieces, which is going to give us our lining. So you guys, after we are done, it's just going to be like this. So this is it. I've gone ahead to cut out the extra 2 pieces for our lining. So I'm going to be using this rope for our neck and then for our under bust. So this is the rope I'm going to be using. I'm going to attach one on our chest line to our shoulder, and then this is exactly how you're going to place it. You're going to open it up like this and put the rope under, and then you are going to stitch it down by half an inch, and then when you reach the under bust, you're going to leave half an inch open towards the under bust, which we are going to use it to pass our rope. So I will take it to my sewing machine and sew it. I'll bring it back, and you guys, this is it. I've gone ahead to turn it, and then I've gone ahead to iron it. I've turned it back to the right side. So this is exactly how your own should be. So the next thing is to go ahead and pass your under bust rope, just as I explained. And this is it. I've gone ahead to pass it. It is that simple, you guys. So this is our bikini bra, our bikini. So you guys, if you want to learn how to make beachwear outfit beautiful, different style of beachwear, different style of bikini bottom, different style of bikini outfit, different style of beachwear gown, different style of beachwear 2-piece, go ahead and send me a message. I have a class that you're going to learn step-by-step process on how to make it and how you're going to market your product. So thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.